about the last leadership meeting you were in? Did everyone actually say what they were thinking? Or did the room nod and then nothing changed? Here's what's happening beneath the surface. Our brains can't tell the difference between a physical threat and a social one. The moment someone's status feels challenged or a decision gets made without them, their threat system activates. And when that happens, our prefrontal cortex, where creative thinking and real collaboration live, it goes offline. One person's guardedness signals to everyone else this room isn't safe. Before long, the whole team is in protection mode. And you can't solve complex problems for protection mode. And this is exactly why individual leadership development, as important as it isn't enough. Because the problem isn't the people, it's the patterns between the people, the invisible but powerful threads that run through them. Team coaching addresses those patterns and threads. It helps teams see what's actually happening in the room and then decide together what to do about it. I've written a full article on this, the neuroscience, the research, and what this actually looks like in practice in actual teams. Read it and stay curious.